4-box break of Luminance football. Thank you guys for jumping in. I appreciate it as always. Again, like I just said, last 2 breaks of the night ending now. Elite Extra Baseball and Series 2 Base. So. I just decided to make my own. Alright, you guys will have to pick left, middle, or right. Left, middle, or right. I got a middle. I got a right. Who wants to break the tie? Alright, right. Alright, right it is. Alright. Good luck, 2-0 and 2-0, good luck. White Sox, Reds, Indians, ending now in Elite. 3 packs? Oh, 4 packs. 4 packs. What? I was like, what? Brett Favre, Josh Allen, Baker Mayfield, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Gordon, Flacco, Mixon, Gronkowski. Flip for the Chiefs, vintage jersey swatch of Mr. Len Dawson. Len Dawson jersey swatch for the Chiefs. Back to David, and it's Johnson. David Johnson. Antonio Brown, Flash Dance, Dalton Schultz, Rashad Penny, Harold Landry, T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Brown, Drew Brees, Tannehill. Out of 99, Malik Hooker for the Colts. Out of 99, Malik Hooker for the Colts. Flip. Oh, nice. For the Buccaneers, out of 99, Ronald Jones. Out of 99 for the Bucks, Ronald Jones II. And Hooker. Portrait of Julio Jones. Tanner Lee, Justin Jackson, Naheem Hines, Manning, Howard, Mariota, McCown, Odell Beckham. We got another jersey. What? Birake Bortles, jumbo jersey for the Jaguars. This is the second or third time I've seen that. Actually, the third time I've seen that, actually. Baker Mayfield, Dynamic, Derwin James, Sam Hubbard, Josh Adams, Funchess, Alexander, Cousins, McCoy, Josh Allen, out of 99, Tarvaris McFadden. I think he's a 49ers. I need to check, though, double check on that. Out of 99, Tarvaris McFadden. And Josh Allen. Let me just make sure. I think he's 49ers, but I'm not 100% sure. didn't spell his name. Tar. Yeah, 49ers. All right. So Tarvaris McFadden is a 49er. Rockies just ended in Elite Extra. We're on the Tigers, Astros, Royals, Angels, Dodgers. Boom, boom, boom. Box 2, good luck. Portrait of Carson Wentz. DJ Moore. Ogbania. Kaiser White. Freeman. Goodwin. Bradford. Chris Thompson. Ezekiel Elliott. For the Lions, jumbo jersey of Golden Tate. For the Lions, Golden Tate jumbo jersey. Darius Guice, Dynamic. Marquise Haynes. Shaquem Griffin. Mike Gesicki. Jimmy Graham. Winston Foreman. Tyrod Taylor. Out of 99, JT Barrett for the Saints. And for the Steelers, out of 75, James Washington. James Washington out of 75 for the Steelers. Cortland Sutton for the Broncos. Deion Kane, Royce Freeman, Jamon Moore, Jayi, Derek Carr, Gordon, Thomas, Larry Fitzgerald. And for the Bengals, out of 249, Mark Walton. Mark Walton out of 249 for the Bengals. Oh, I forgot the international minute. International minute after the Astros. You never pick the ones with all that. Terry Bradshaw, Vintage. Anthony Miller. Logan Woodside. DJ Chark. Dalvin Cook. Marvin Jones. Jarvis Landry. Delaney Walker. Dalton Schultz. 4 of 5 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Riley Ferguson. 4 of 5 for the Bucks. Riley Ferguson. No. The one? Yeah, he's Bucks. Riley Ferguson. 4 of 5. Riley Ferg. We need some on cards. Come on. I'm telling you guys, pick those on cards again. Toby said again. Alright, box 3. Good lucky. Alright. Vintage Marcus Allen. Arden Key. Luke Falk. DJ Moore. Tyreek Hill. Roethlisberger. Tyrod Taylor. Derek Carr. Melvin Gordon. For the Seattle Seahawks, jumbo jersey of Earl Thomas III. For the Seahawks. Melvin Gordon. This is going to be on card. Yep. Finally got one. Good. On card auto coming up. Flash Dance with Russell Wilson. Ogbania. Kaiser White. Marquise Haynes. Devontae Freeman. Marquise Goodwin. Michael Thomas, Jarvis Landry. Out of 25 for the Bears, Mitchell Trubisky. And an on-card auto for the Broncos, Bradley Chubb. Silver ink. Silver ink on-card auto, Bradley Chubb for the Broncos. Trubisky. Portrait of Keenan Allen, Shaquem Griffin, Mike Gesicki, Deion Kane, Jimmy Graham, Delaney Walker, Jamal Adams, Demaryius Thomas, Jimmy Graham. For the Cowboys, out of 249, Leighton Vander Esch. Out of 249, Leighton Vander Esch for the Cowboys. Dynamic Tom Brady, Royce Freeman, Jamon Moore, Anthony Miller, Winston, Ajayi, Mack, Keenan Allen, Harold Landry. Was Harold Landry? No. For the Jaguars, Alan Lazard out of 75. For the Jaguars, Alan Lazard for the out of 75. And Harold and his purple crayon. Harold and his purple crayon. Alright, one box to go. Good luck. Marlins just ended. We're on the Brewers, Twins, Mets, Yankees, ending now in Elite Extra. Last box. Good luck to all, and to all, good luck. Le'Veon the Chevion Bell. What is this? Flash dancing. Nyheim Hines, Derwin James, Sam Hubbard, Trubisky, Cam Newton, Hopkins, Robinson, Alex Collins, and a vintage jersey of Thurman Thomas for the Bills. Thurman Thomas vintage. For the Bills, Collins. This is going to be a patch auto. Patch auto. J.J. Watt. Portrait. Josh Adams. Austin Allen. Marcel Aitman. Mike Evans. Weddle. Thielen. Luck. Out of 99 for the Broncos, Deshaun Hamilton. Deshaun Hamilton. And I was right. 1 of 10, 3-color patch auto of Hines Ward for the Steelers. 3-color patch auto. Oh, this guy goes over there. For the Steelers, Hines Ward. All right, Le'Veon Bell, Dynamic, Go Dirt, Traquan Smith, Equanimous RS, St. Brown. I don't know how to say that guy's name. Ezekiel Anson, Marshawn Lynch, Juju Baby Smith-Schuster, Ingram, Trubisky. Out of 125 for the Green Bay Packers, Aaron Jones. Aaron Jones out of 125. Now it seems like we only got one on card. Only one. One on card auto. Josh Rosen, Cardinals. Sony Michel, Cortland Sutton, Nick Chubbies, Cooper Kupp, Tyreek Hill, Roethlisberger, Tarek Cohen, Arden Key. For the Redskins, out of 99, Simmie Cobbs Jr. For the Redskins, Simmie Cobbs Jr. out of 99. And back to Arden Key. All right. Elite Extra will be next.